Flying drones is always exciting, but sometimes, things don't go as planned. This is the story of how I almost lost my DJI Neo. I flew my DJI Neo manually using my phone as the controller. Everything started perfectly. The drone was following my commands flawlessly. I was flying above the water, which, to be honest, isn't recommended. One wrong move and the drone could be gone for good. It was stable, responsive, and everything looked under control. And then, suddenly, the DJI Neo stopped responding. No matter what commands I sent, it just started flying away on its own. My heart was racing. I was sure I'd lost it forever. But then, something unexpected happened. The drone hit an obstacle and fell. It wasn't pretty, but it was my lucky break. I managed to rescue it, and it still worked. I was able to download the footage, including everything you've just seen. Have you ever faced something like this with your DJI drone? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And remember, always fly safe.